Here's a quick workaround on how to edit the image on Instawho. First, open the PowerPoint presentation. Second, navigate to the slide you want to customize. Third, click on one puzzle piece and drag it to reveal the photo behind. Fourth, right-click on the revealed photo. Choose Change Picture and select from a file. Ensure you have the media file ready beforehand. Fifth, select the image you want to use and click Insert. Sixth, once done, bring the puzzle piece back to its original position. And that's it! You have now successfully changed the image. And here's how you can edit the texts. First, simply click on the text you wish to edit. Second, highlight the text by double-clicking it or press Command+A for Mac or Control+A for Windows. Third, from there, edit the text as you prefer. Once done, your edited version will be displayed in the presentation.